Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our English Conversation podcast. I'm Lily.
And I'm Mark. We're excited you're here with us today.
Mark, let me ask you something. Have you ever spent hours studying English, but still felt like you weren't making much progress?
Absolutely. Many learners study harder and harder, but they don't always study smarter.
That's exactly what today's episode is about. Smart learning English.
We'll share practical ideas that help you learn English faster, remember more vocabulary, and become more confident without spending all day studying.
If you're ready to make your English learning easier and more effective, let's get started.
Chapter 1. What is smart learning? Lily, what does smart learning really mean?
It means using effective methods instead of simply studying for long hours.
So it's about quality, not just quantity.
Exactly. One focused hour is often better than 3 distracted hours.
Many learners think they need to memorize thousands of words.
But it's much better to master the words you use every day.
Learning smarter helps you remember more and feel less stressed. Chapter 2. Learn vocabulary in context. Do you memorize long vocabulary lists?
I used to, but I forgot most of the words. That's because words are easier to remember in sentences. For example, don't just learn the word delicious. Learn it like this. This pizza is delicious. My grandmother makes delicious soup. Now your brain connects the word with real situations.
Chapter 3. Listen every day. Here's one of my favorite habits. Listen to English every day.
Even if it's only 10 minutes.
You can listen while walking, cooking, or driving.
The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes.
Your ears learn before your mouth does.
Chapter 4. Real-life conversation. Hi, Jake. You're always listening to English podcasts. Do they really help?
Yes, I listen every morning while making breakfast.
Do you understand everything?
No, but I understand more every week.
So you don't stop when you hear difficult words?
No, I focus on understanding the main idea first.
That's a smart way to learn. Chapter 5. Speak from day one. Many learners wait until they think they're ready.
But the best time to start speaking is today.
Even simple sentences are valuable.
Try saying, I'm making coffee. I'm going to work. It's a sunny day.
Small conversations build big confidence.
Chapter 6. Learn in small steps. Here's another smart tip. Study a little every day.
Instead of studying 3 hours once a week, study 20 minutes every day.
Daily practice helps your brain remember information longer.
Consistency is more powerful than intensity.
Chapter 7. Don't fear mistakes. Many learners avoid speaking because they're afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are proof that you're learning.
Every mistake teaches you something new.
Think about children learning their first language.
They make thousands of mistakes.
Yet they keep talking.
Chapter 8. Build an English environment. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country.
You can bring English into your daily life.
Change your phone language to English.
Watch English videos with subtitles.
Follow English learning pages.
Label objects in your house.
Little changes create big results.
Chapter 9. The 5 Smart Habits. Let's review 5 smart learning habits.
Number 1. Learn words in sentences.
Number 2. Listen every day.
Number 3. Speak a little every day.
Number 4. Study consistently.
Number 5. Enjoy the learning process. Chapter 10. Final Conversation. Lily, if you could give learners just one piece of advice, what would it be?
Don't try to learn everything at once. Learn something useful every day.
I like that. My advice is to make English part of your life, not just another school subject.
When English becomes a daily habit, improvement happens naturally.
Remember, smart learners don't just study. They practice, listen, speak, and enjoy the journey.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope these smart learning tips help you study English more effectively.
Remember, you don't have to study longer, you just have to study smarter.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner.
Tell us in the comments, which smart learning tip are you going to try today?
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye.